Question number 1. The highest peak in India is. The right option is option A, Kanchenjunga. Question number 2. The longest river in the world is. The right option is option C, Nile. Question number 3. The Supreme Court of India was established in. The right option is A, 1950. Question number 4. The speed of sound is maximum in. The right option is D, steel. Question number 5. The unit of electrical resistance is. The right option is A, ohm. Question number 6. Which organ produces insulin in the human body? The right option is option B, pancreas. Question number 7. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? The right option is option B, vitamin C. Question number 8. A sum of money doubles itself in 5 years at simple interest. In how many years will it become 4 times? The right option is B, 15 years. Question number 9. The average of 5 consecutive odd number is 25. What is the largest number? The right option is option B, 29. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic medal? The right option is C, KD Jadhav. Question number 11. If the ratio of the age of A and B is 4 and 5 and the sum of the age is 45, what is A age? The right option is A, 18 years. Question number 12. Which Mughal ruler adopted the title Alamgir? The right option is option B, Aurangzeb. Question number 13. In which year was the Indian Penal Code IPC enforced? The right option is B, 1860. Question number 14. Who was the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty? The right option is A, Danti Durga. Question number 15. The term depreciation is associated with which field? The right option is option A, economics. Question number 16. The Nipah virus primarily affected which organ in humans? The right option is option C, brain. Question number 17. In which year Indian state is the Zujila Pass located? D is the right option, Ladakh. Question number 18. Who is known as the father of the Indian nuclear program? The right option is option B, Dr. Homi Baba. Question number 19. Which country was the first to develop the concept of zero? The right option is option B, India. Question number 20. The term bull and bear are associated with which field? The right option is option C, stock market. Question number 21. The leper curve is associated with which economic concept? The right option is B, taxation and revenue. Question number 22. What is the scientific name of the human kneecap? The right option is B, patella. Question number 23. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? B is the right option, Lord Dalhousie. Question number 24. Which Indian state share the longest border with Bangladesh? A is the right option, West Bengal. Question number 25. Which part of the human brain control balance and coordination? The right option is option C, cerebellum. Question number 26. What is the currency of Sweden? The right option is option A, krona. Question number 27. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following state? C is the right option, Odisha. Question number 28. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? The right option is A, Astana. Question number 29. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? The right option is option B, Kalpana Chawla. Question number 30. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? The right option is option C, ascorbic acid. Question number 31. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? The right option is option B, W.C. Banerjee. Question number 32. Which gas is used in refrigerator for cooling? The right option is option B, ammonia. Question number 33. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in which year? The right option is option B, 1921. Question number 34. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The right option is option C, lever. Question number 35. Who wrote the book Gitanjali? The right option is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 36. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? The right option is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 37. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is located in which country? The right option is B. Netherlands. Question number 38. What is the capital of Argentina? The right option is C. Buenos Aires. Question number 39. Who discovered the electron? The right option is option A. J. Thomson. Question number 40. Which Mughal emperor built the Bibi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad? The right option is option C. Aurangzeb.